everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight we're gonna have zucchini quiche. I'm actually gonna make two different quiches, one that we're gonna eat this evening and one I'm gonna freeze for another time. If you have a larger family, you can go ahead and eat both of them in one meal. There's quite a few ingredients in this, so I'm actually just gonna go over all of them with you now. Of course, I'm gonna have all these in the description under my video. So don't worry about if you don't get it down right away. So let me go ahead and go over with you what's going in this quiche. We're gonna do 3 medium-sized zucchini. You're gonna slice those very thin. You're gonna do a large onion and it's gonna be sliced thin. And then you're gonna do 3 tablespoons of butter. You're gonna do 8 ounces or 2 cups of mozzarella cheese shredded. You're gonna have 2 teaspoons of mustard. And then you're gonna have 2 large eggs. You have pepper to taste. You're gonna have garlic salt and garlic powder, each a half a teaspoon. You're gonna have dried parsley. And you also have basil and oregano in this recipe. Like I said, I will put all the exact measurements in the description. So next, I'm gonna show you how we start this recipe. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and heat our 3 tablespoons of butter in a skillet over medium heat. And you're gonna add in your onion and your zucchini. And then what we're gonna do is cook it until it's good and soft. And then we'll show you how you mix up the rest of it. So we're gonna let this cook down for a few minutes. And then we'll come back and show you the rest of the recipe. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and check our zucchini and onions, and they are good and tender. The next step you're gonna do is take this over and put this through a colander and just let them drain and cool down for just a few minutes. And then we're gonna come back and show you how we put everything together to get it in the oven. All right, everyone, we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of our mixture to get our zucchini quiches ready to go in the oven. First, you're gonna take your 2 large eggs, put them in a large bowl, and then we're gonna whisk those. And then we're gonna add in our dry ingredients to this. All right, next we're gonna mix in some pepper. And you can put in however much, however you like pepper, a lot or a little, that's up to you. All right, we're gonna put in our garlic powder and our garlic salt. And then our dried parsley. And basil and oregano. All right, let's whisk that all together. And then we're gonna add in our cheese, and then we're gonna bring over our zucchini and our onions. We're gonna get that all mixed in well. And then we'll be about ready to put them in our pie pans. I've already preheated the oven to 400 degrees. You want to make sure that you put this on the lower rack of your oven. All right, let's go ahead and put in the cheese. That's a bag, which is 8 ounces or 2 cups. The mozzarella shredded. And, all right, I've drained our zucchini and our onions here for a few minutes. Let it cool off just a little so it's not real hot to work with. Let's add that in. All right, now I'm gonna mix this up, and then when we come back, I'm gonna show you how we put them in the pie pans, and I'm gonna put them in the oven. All right, y'all, we're gonna take our 2 teaspoons of mustard, and we're actually gonna brush it over the bottom of these pans pie crusts before we put in our filling. And then once we do that, we're gonna put them in the oven. And as I said earlier, this is gonna make 2. You can use a deep dish pie crust and just make 1 large quiche, but we like to always kind of make 2. That way we have 1 for a later time. So let me go ahead and show you how we're gonna put this in the pie crust, and then we're gonna show you the finished product in just a few minutes. All right, let's see. Let's put some of our zucchini and onion and all. Okay, I'm gonna finish filling these up, and then we're gonna show you how they look and before we put them in the oven. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and put these in our 400-degree preheated oven on the lower rack. As you can see, I've got them on a tray. It just makes them easier to get in and out of the oven. So we're gonna put them in for 30 to 35 minutes. You may wanna check them around the 30-minute mark, depending on how quickly your oven cooks. Let me go ahead and get these in the oven. All right, everyone, as you can see, we got our quiches out of the oven and they are looking delicious. Nice golden brown color. And I'm gonna pair this tonight with a nice Chardonnay for our dinner. I hope that you'll enjoy this recipe and try it and give me some feedback. I hope that you will subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me for all my other great recipes that are simple and delicious. I hope that you have a great evening, and thank you so much for watching.